Hi guys, today I have an unboxing from the Mad Maiden. I came across the Mad Maiden, I don't even know how, whatever it was. I think someone had liked one of their pictures and I saw what they had and I was like, where have you been all my life? So what I ordered was, I guess it's like a $12 mystery box. And so let's see what's inside. Oh, here's a nice card. Pardon all the nail polish. I'm rushing to do too many things at one time. My nails are still drying. Okay. This is a cute card and it gives me a coupon code for a future purchase. This is, oh, how cute is this? It's a awesome postcard. And yeah, I actually quite love this. Alright, so let me remove that so I can oh yeah, I just got the one thing. I didn't remember if I had ordered more than one. But look at this card. So freaking cute. I love, love, love it. Look at that. This is definitely a keepsake for me. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, cutely wrapped. Oh, yes. I'll be right back. Alright, so I guess I forgot to tell you guys about what this box is. This mystery box is $12 and it has 6 bath bombs. What a bargain! And then the shipping was only $4. Like, come on now. So let's take a look at what's in here. So we have this nice little Frankenstein. And it's scented in pumpkin. And it's really super cute. And yay! I was so hoping to get this one. And I got it! This is called Eat Your Heart Out. Lime Freesia. But look at the shimmer on it. Super cool. The next one that I got was this dragon's egg. I think that's what it's called. It's called Hatching Dragon. How cute. Very cute. Then we have the skulls. Obviously you can tell this Mad Maiden is a creepy shop. This is called the Boogeyman. Oh, it's scented in bubblegum. We have what's this called? Masquerade. White Sage and Lavender. Did I show them all? Is that it? No, there's one, two, three, four, five. All right, one more. And then this is the one that I had pulled out a second ago. And this one is called Seal It With a Kiss. I'm sorry. It took me a second to figure out what the acronym was. Sealed with a Kiss, and that's Scented in Dark Kiss. Pretty pretty, pretty pretty. Oh my gosh, I love shimmer. Alright, so again, what do we have? 6 bath bombs. We have this Frankenstein, and they're not small bath bombs, so it's not like she's trying to jip you. These are actually good sized bath bombs. Eat Your Heart Out is number 2. We have Hatching Dragon, number 3. Masquerade, number 4. We have the Boogeyman, which is this skull, number 5. And then number 6 was Sealed with a Kiss, Scented in Dark Kiss. Yeah, so those are the 6 bath bombs that I got. and they were all wrapped in these, every one of them. So yeah, I got a bunch of awesome little bags here as well. Anyway, so that's it from the Mad Maiden, my very first purchase. A bargain, $12 for the full box, and then only $4 from shipping. Really, honestly, unfreaking heard of. And they're in California and I'm in Delaware, so thinking about the shipping, it just seems like $4 is a serious bargain. All right, guys, that's it for the Mad Maiden. Of course, I will be demoing these soon, and I'll talk to you guys next time. I'll be demoing these soon, and I'll talk to you guys soon.